Good morning, children. So, in this chapter of cooking, which is a project based chapter, children, we have seen about cooking fuel, like what kind of fuel is used during the cooking, and then we saw what kind of stoves are being used and also what kind of vessels are being used. Yeah. So yesterday I had asked what all vessels are used for cooking in your kitchen except those which are there in the book. But children, I didn't get any of the answers. So first I would like you to send me the answers, like what all vessels are used in your house other than those three which are given in the kitchen. Okay? Then we also saw that different regions have different types of food. You all said that in Maharashtra, in our region, the puran pori, junka bhakar, these are the food which are there as a regional food. Yeah. Now we are going to check different people and different food. So food not only depends upon the region, it also depends upon the people. Yeah. So the amount of food you eat and the amount of food your parent eat is different, right? I'm talking about the amount. Okay. So different people, different food. The amount of food we eat also differs from person to person. The food requirement of a child is very different from that of an adult. So a child eats very less food, but an adult means big people, will eat more food naturally. Children are constantly growing and need a lot of nutrient. It is important for them to develop strong bones. You children, you need to have lots of nutritional food. Okay, because you need to develop strong bones and muscles during the period of growth, because you are growing children. So you should have lots of nutritious meals a day, means at least three nutritious meals a day. You should have a good nutritious breakfast, then a lunch and a dinner. There has to be three nutritious meals a day for you. Okay, as well as a plenty of milk, fruits and green veggies. So all the children, you all should have lots of fruits, okay, lots of milk and lots of green vegetables, right? I know many of you don't like green vegetables, but now it's winter season and all the green vegetables are very freshly available. So have lot of spinach, methi and all, methi paratha. It's really yummy. You can have it. Yeah. Okay. Values and life skill. So food is very important for all of us. However, there are many people in our country who do not get enough food to eat. Okay, so can you help these such people, children? So here you can see that there are many people in India, in our country, who do not get food. You are so blessed to have at least so much of nutritious food. So how many times you should have, how many nutritious meal you should take in a day? You should take 3 nutritious meals in a day. And what else? You should have plenty of milk, fruits and green vegetables. Children, you should think about it, that in our country there are many children who are not blessed as you all are. They do not get food, even food to eat, and you are getting enough nutritious food, and then you say, no, I don't want to eat this, I don't like it. So you just think about those people who do not have any choice, children, because they don't get anything. Whatever they'll get, they'll eat happily. So think about them and then think, should you do this? No, you shouldn't say no to food. Yeah, every parent, they want their children to grow healthy. They want their children to grow with a strong bone and strong muscles. Yeah, so please have good meal in a day, and please don't say no to the parents who are giving you and providing you with good food. Okay, so children, we are done with the chapter here. Okay, so now remember, so what all things you have to remember? I'll tell you. Okay, so you say, now remember, what we need to remember about this chapter is food is the basic requirements of all living beings. Early humans did not know how to cook till they discovered fire. For different types of fuel, we require different types of stoves. Vessels or utensils are made up of materials like clay, copper, iron, steel, wood, and glass. Okay, people all over the world, they eat food made of the same basic ingredients, but the way they cook their food is different. Okay, in India, people of different regions have different eating habits. The food requirements of a child is very different from that of an adult. Okay, now these are the new words, children, very important. Fuel. What do you mean by fuel? The material that you burn to get fire. Yeah, we use fuel. What are the fuels? They are the materials that we use to get fire. Then charcoal, a black substance that is made by burning wood. Okay, a black substance that is made by burning wood. Next is mineral oil, a thick liquid that is found in the rocks underground. They are mineral oil, and from there only we get, that is LPG, then petrol and diesel. We all get from that they are thick dark colored liquid which is found underground. Solar energy, the energy from the sun. Then vessel. What is vessel? A container, okay, which is used to keep the things like liquids. And nutritious means food that contains substances that help you to grow to be healthy. Children, these 6 words are very important words. Okay, questions can be asked from these. Yeah, so in environmental sensitivity, so you have to learn these, right? And rest of the things like question answers we don't have to write because they won't be asked. So we learned a very good lesson in this chapter. I got to know that how many of you know cooking, how many of you like cooking, how many of you love cooking, what else you know. Okay, only thing you have to tell me is what all utensils are being used at your place which is not there in the book. Okay, right? So just tell me, children, and then we will be done with this chapter, and then we'll start the new chapter in the next period.